Welcome to another part of my Management Accounts Automation Masterclass. If you've landed here without context, I recommend starting with the introduction video. It's linked below. Everything you need to follow along is in the description. Let's get into it. Okay, next one is this one. We want to show, for example, just all transactions in the current year to date for legal fees only, not the whole legal and professional account, just sub-account. So we can actually get rid of this. So this is similar to what we did with bank. We want to filter the data and give the filter some conditions to meet, and it needs to meet all of them. So in this case, we had just beginning of the month and end of the month when it comes to dates. Now we will need beginning, because we want year to date, we will need all dates from start of the year to end of current period. And the rest will be very, very similar to this. What else did we have here? Account, obviously, this time it won't be bank account, it will be legal fees. However, we need to refer to the whole full path of the account, so actually to this account name, which I'm going to put it somewhere. It can live anywhere. We put it here and we can hide it later, but because this is just for help to write formulas. And we actually don't need to show this now because this is obvious. It has to be this account. Split we don't want. Okay, I'm just going to move it here and maybe just tidy up a little bit. Okay, so this is now good. So let's actually try to copy this formula and see if we can get away with just adjusting this one. So for dates, we want, we don't want month start, we want current year start, which is 1st of March 24. Current month, yes, that's still valid. Full account name needs to be this, and let's fix it. And now we've got spill, and just give it format, and that's what we wanted. So now we can just copy it. So I'm going to do like this. You can just copy it and adjust what we are filtering. This time we are filtering transaction type. Type. Next, number. The name. Description. And for this one, I think we want net value, right? Net value. Net value. We can give it, and then because these are just typed in, I mean, that's how they come from the as an export from QuickBooks. So we can just rewrite this formula. Okay, and now if this, so just like I did, I think with bank, I'm going to allow this one extra row, and this needs to be a formula as well, so it catches this one as well, and when it expands, it will automatically, we will be adding rows here, and the range will automatically expand, except we will need to drag this formula down. And just like with bank transactions, I may add this show hide help column to always automatically or dynamically hide the empty rows, rather than just every time we reporting hide them manually. So that's what I will do. And one other thing is to fix this. I'm pretty sure we've already had this somewhere. Yes, I'm going to copy this. And also we always want to check. So we will check it to TB. What can we check to? We can check it to against TB, just PNL part of it, refer to current month, and take the year to date. No, actually no. We will refer to the full TB, current month, and we will find the legal I can't see it here, but at the moment they're still okay here. So I can already see this is correct, but I'm going to look for it properly for the check. So check to, let's get rid of this. Check to TB. Okay, so we need to index the TB, the current year only, but full TB. Index it and match the name of the account, fix it in this range, exact match, and then match for column. We're matching current period in this range and exact match. Okay, so this is our result, and check this against what we got here, and check to TB is done. And this is it for this report. Thanks for watching. You're one step closer to a fully automated month end. And remember, you don't need to go through the entire masterclass before you start seeing results. Each layer we build adds practical automation that you can apply immediately to your own work. By the end of the series, you'll have everything you need to implement the full system to your own data. And if you'd prefer support or want the system implemented for your company, you can contact me through my website. I'll see you in the next lesson.